Hello dear, good afternoon. John and Okpala is my name. I want us to look at this concept of annual tax returns. Some people may be wondering, when you say annual tax returns, what is required? What does it mean? Is everybody that's involved? So this opportunity for somebody to get informed about what it's all about, especially if you're in business and you're thinking of filing returns. It's not something that is unreachable. So it's good for you to know, so that even when your consultant is doing it, you have an idea, a fair idea of what is involved and the implications of doing it the way it's being done. All right, annual tax returns filing. The law requires that once a year you file returns, you file documents, you show information concerning what you have done during the year. All right, if your year end is say December, the law gives you 6 months from that end of year to file your annual tax returns. At the same time, if your year end is another date outside December, maybe 31st, maybe 30th September, you also have 6 months from that date to file your tax returns. That's about due date. Now it's called due date. So now we are in 2024. In a few days time, the June contract end, 30th June 2024. That's the due date for companies whose accounting period end in December 31st, on December 31st. So that is it. So it's a very important date for us in the tax space. And as consultants or taxpayer or accountant doing tax work, tax managers, everybody is running here tax calculator to make sure that we will file within the period. Sometimes this is jam and the FRS in its magnanimity most of the time will extend, because this filing is done online. So most times you see portal is jamming, downtime is here, but everybody wants to key in all at the same time. Okay, we've said about the due date. Is there any benefit attached to early filing? Is there any benefit attached? The law says if you're able to file and pay within 90 days, 90 days before the due date, for example, 3 months to end of the deadline, that means if you're able to file before March 31st, for example, you'll be entitled to 2% of the amount you paid if your company is within the medium size company. So business owners, you have advantage now. If you're able to prepare your account after the year end of 31st, you have January, February, maybe you do it fast, just like banks do. Banks get their accounts ready before March 31st. So it's not undoable. You can do it as an ordinary company. All you need to do is get the accountant, your auditors to get the accounts ready to file. You file within 3 months before due date, you have 2% discount if you're a medium-sized company. But if you are other company, like large company, you enjoy 1% of the amount you paid. That's a discount. That's like credit. You know, FRS will not give you cash, but it will be in form of a credit to you. So when next you are paying, you deduct it. That's a bonus. I'm sure many taxpayers may not know this. So it's important to know that advantage in doing it early, not waiting till the last minute. Okay, but all the same, on the other hand, if you fail to pay, you fail to file in time within the deadline, and there's no extension, then there's a penalty for it. That penalty are in two ways. One is late returns penalty, LRP. That will require you to pay 25,000 naira in the first month of default. Say for example, this is a June ending. If by June ending you don't pay, on the 1st of July, your penalty of 25,000 is due. Then if you allow that July to end, you pay another 5,000. If you allow August to end, you pay another 5,000. So it is 5,000 in the subsequent month as long as default continues. That is for late returns penalty. All right. Having said that, that's late payment. Assuming, of course, that once you have late return, late payment, the FRS will charge you penalty of 10% of the amount due for paying late, and the interest of 19% based on number of days you are late from the due date. I hope this is very clear now. So it's important to take annual tax returns filing serious, and you start from day one. Once a year end is gone, the next thing is you start preparing your account. Start calling the auditors, get the audit done, file, and if you meet the deadline, make payment within the required time, you get the credit and you not pay penalty. Many people pay all these penalties and they think it's nothing, but you are using money where you should not lose. That money can add it to other things you are doing. You can add it to your staff salary, and they'll be happy. Thank you, and God bless you.